PancakeSwap, which was introduced just a year ago this month, has quickly become the largest automated crypto market developer, a provider of trading liquidity on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. In contrast to the market value of merely $4.983 billion, PancakeSwap users have marked they are storing their cryptocurrency in digital wallets, more than $5.6 billion on this decentralized exchange, DEX. That suggests the token is a bargain when compared to peers, such as Uniswap, which has a total value locked, TVL, a measure of how much is marked, that beats its market cap by a factor of 3.30. Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. In contrast to many other digital currencies, there is more to PancakeSwap than just buying and storing the tokens. We should consider why coin owners should consider it to be a top option. PancakeSwap is a token built on the Binance Chain BP2, which is managed by Binance, owner of the largest digital currency exchange in the world, processing around $27 billion in trades each day. Additionally, PancakeSwap was founded by former employees of Binance. The convention is also assessed by CertiK, a drivingly astute agreement security organization. One may generally place greater faith in inspected DeFi initiatives than unaudited ones, much as the reviewers who ensure the budget reports of public firms. How exactly does PancakeSwap work? A decentralized exchange DEX on the Binance Savvy chain is called PancakeSwap, BSC. It is similar to Uniswap on the Ethereum blockchain and will be sent out by unidentified creators in September 2020. Although established exchanges like Coinbase and Binance are run by a single company, trading on a DEX is possible without a middleman. Most DEX rely on Ethereum, like the majority of the decentralized finance, DeFi movement to date. However, PancakeSwap aims to compete with Ethereum by offering, among other things, reduced fees and faster trades. A computerized market creator, AMM, model is used by PancakeSwap. Clients receive payment in the form of FELAP tokens from liquidity suppliers in exchange for storing their assets in a liquidity pool. Clients use the liquidity pool as the basis for their exchanges. Then, FELAP token owners may use them to recoup a portion of the exchange fees, as well as their share in the liquidity pool. Customers may save and protect their FELAP tokens so they can grow or buy more tokens like Cake and sell RUP as a reward. Tokens can be unstacked at any moment after an arbitrary holding period. Since its launch, PancakeSwap has attracted customers almost immediately because it enables traders to instantly swap tokens without registering for records and levies, minimal exchange fees. Customers can exchange directly from their digital wallet as the currency isn't dependent on a deal. According to its website, its clients have earned a total of $4.2 billion, and its 1.8 million active clients have made 55 million swaps in the 30 days leading up to November 1, 2022. Estimated cost for PancakeSwap. The question is, could it possibly make a comeback in the long run? At the time of writing, 11 markers on CoinCodex's KK cost expectation were showing optimistic signals, while 16 were showing negative ones. However, its short-term PancakeSwap cost prediction for 2022 estimated that the price may have increased to $4.75 by the 1st of December. A rather pessimistic price prediction for the PancakeSwap currency was made by the calculation-based website Wallet Financial Backer, which predicted that the price may fall to $0.30 in a year and under $0.20 in 2027. The midpoint of $4.69 was predicted by Digital Coin Price's KK crypto cost projection for the cryptographic currency in 2022. According to its PancakeSwap cost forecast, it was expected to reach $11.80 in 2025 and $25.08 in 2030. It's important to keep in mind that digital currency markets are still incredibly volatile, making it difficult to anticipate with precision what a coin or token will cost in a few hours, and, unexpectedly, even harder to provide long-term estimates. As a result, experts and forecasters who use calculations frequently get their predictions wrong. We advise you to typically conduct your research if you are considering investing in cryptographic money tokens. Before making any investment decisions, look at the most recent market trends, news, in-depth and general research, and certified assessments. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future results, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. Is PancakeSwap a smart guess? You should conduct your research to determine whether a very volatile resource, such as a digital money token, is a good fit for your startup portfolio. The decision is based on several personal factors, including your tolerance for risk and your financial situation. Keep in mind that you should never contribute more than you can afford to lose. Is PancakeSwap a good investment for you? You should decide by yourself whether or not you should invest money in KK. However, you should conduct your research before you do so. Never save more money than you can afford to lose because prices might go up as well as down. Price prediction was more enthusiastic about the longer-term prospects of KK. It predicted that the price may increase, rising from an average of $5.63 in 2022 to $15.83 by 2025. According to its PancakeSwap cost projection for 2030, it will hopefully be worth $105.59. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.